Shalom and welcome to my channel, Learn with Laina. Let's learn Hebrew. Lesson 11, Family Vocabulary Words Part 3. To say grandfather in Hebrew is Saba. Saba. Grandfather in Hebrew is Saba. To say grandmother in Hebrew is Savta. Savta. Grandmother in Hebrew is Savta. To say grandson in Hebrew is Neched. Neched. Grandson is Neched. To say granddaughter in Hebrew is Nechda. Nechda. Granddaughter is Nechda. To say parents in Hebrew is Horim. Horim. Parents in Hebrew is Horim. To say husband in Hebrew is Baal. Baal. Husband in Hebrew is Baal. To say wife in Hebrew is Isha. Isha. Wife in Hebrew is Isha. To say children in Hebrew is Yeladim. 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 To say child masculine singular is Yeled. Yeled. Child masculine singular is Yeled. To say child feminine singular is Yelda. Yelda. Child feminine singular is Yelda. Let's review. To say grandfather is Saba. To say grandmother is Savta. To say grandson is Neched. To say granddaughter is Nechda. To say parents is Horim. To say children is Yeladim. To say child masculine singular is Yeled. To say child feminine singular is Yelda. To say husband is Baal, and to say wife is Isha. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe below for more videos.